Hello students, today I am here to solve internal problems and you can see some of the very important questions today. Within 1 hour how to write the exam, that's very important. Just you can see in your time, in your watch, that how in 1 hour you can easily solve all the problems. So time management is very important. First thing you have to remember is that keep your calculators ready. That's a very important, and all the tricks you have to just remind or practice. So here we have the first question: apply elementary transformation and find the rank of the matrix. When you get the question, immediately without wasting the time start solving the problem. Yes friends, so I'll just take here solution. So write down the question, and now you can see in this elementary transformation you have to find the rank of the matrix. So without wasting the time, I'll just solve all the problems, go through it once again. If you don't understand, comment on the comment box and I will reply you definitely. I can see in this matrix all the elements are given. Remember that always first row. So you can see here I'm going to consider this as R1, R2, R3 and R4. So R1 first element must be always minimum value. So it must be some value. You cannot take 0. So 1 is itself is a minimum value. Without any transformation, row transformation, immediately start the solving the problem. So first step what you came to know is that I want to replace only 3 values. Easily you should get it like this: R2, R3 and R4. I have to make this 0. So this 3 rows I have to make 0. So you can see this will be R2 minus 2R1. So just multiply R1 into 2 and subtract it, you will get it 0. So it's very easy. Next we have R3 minus R1. That's simple. And next we can see it's already 0. So what you have to do, never take this value R4 because it's already 0. If you subtract this again, it is going to become not 0. So you cannot take this R4. So only 2 operations you have to do in first step. Okay, so immediately you can see just subtract the values. So you can look here, first row as it is 1, 2, 3 minus 1 as it is, no change. R1 is fixed, or just take here R1 is fixed. Next, now just subtract 2 minus 2 is going to become 0. So if you want, you can take here this simplification, you can do easily. It is 0 minus 5 minus 9 and this is 1. And this simplification, take the subtraction runs, 1 minus 1 0, right? 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Again this is minus 2 and 2. You can do it in the calculator if you want, but subtraction and addition you never do in calculator. Easily you have to simplify it. So I'll just substitute this value: 0 minus 5 minus 9 and this is 1. Next value I'm just substituting 0 minus 2 minus 2 and this is 2. Last column as it is runs, no change, that is 0, 1, 1 and 1. So these are my new R1, R2, R3 and R4. So this you can see very easily the change in R1, R2, R3 and R4. So this is what we have done. Now again, next transformation, I want to make R4. Yes, just simplify R4. So you can see very easily how I will make R4 0. So you can see I want to change R4, at least one row you have to make 0. Keep in your mind, if you make one row 0, then your next condition you should make second row 0. So my intention is to make R4 0. So all these values must be 0. So R4 I'm going to make 0. Just watch here. So now you can see I will take 2 times R4. I just multiply 2 times R4 plus R3. Yes students, you can easily simplify this. So this is 2 minus 2 0. So 0 0 is 0. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And next value we can see this is 0 and next value is 0. So please remember all the values are 0. You can put it in calculator and just see what is the answer. So therefore this is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 and the next value is 0 minus 5 minus 9 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 last value is 0 0 0 0. So ultimately I have made R4 0. So stop iteration. Now you can further simplify. You can see I tried to make other things 0, but it was not possible because here you can see an odd values are there. So however you try to make it 0, it is not possible. So therefore I say that rank of the matrix A is equal to 3 because R1, R2 and R3 are not 0. Therefore rank of the matrix is 3. So that's it students. So you can see first question is simplified hardly in 5 minutes. So next question we will go immediately. The next question, let's see here, solve the systems of equations using Gauss elimination method. Yes students, you can see immediately when you try to simplify the problem, first you understand what is given. Yes, here is the solution. Now first you have to write augment matrix. I think you have come across augment matrix. If you don't know, the detail is already been done in the previous lecture. You can just go through it and just simplify. Okay, now we will move back augment matrix. So you're going to write down all the values. First you write down all the values, coefficients 1 2 1 and here we have 3. Okay, next we am going to take 2 3 3 and here we get 10. This is 3 minus 1 2 and here we get 13. So all the coefficients have written. Okay, when you write the coefficient you should keep in the mind that at the top it must be minimum value. So R1 R2 R3, these are my 3 rows. So always R1 in this point, this must be first value must be minimum value. Yes, it is minimum value. So when I have to change only R2 and R3. My job is to make R2 and R3 minimum 0. So now I can see R2 I want to make 0. So please keep in the mind that 1 is there. So I just multiply 2 for R1. So I will take R2 minus 2 R1. Is it clear now? So see, just multiply 2 for R1. 2 in 2 minus 2 is going to become 0. So that's my main intention. Then I will go to R3 value. R3 I'm now going to take the value R3 minus 3 R1. Yes, I just multiply here 3, subtract it, I'm going to get So you can put it in the calculator immediately if you want. You can check in the calculator, which is very easy calculations we can do here, students. So just all the values I'm going to simplify now. So first value, 2 minus 2 is 0. I can see 3 minus 4 is going to become minus 1. Next value is 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, next value is 10 minus 6. Yes, friends, it is 4. So like this you should easily simplify, use the calculator properly. So next value is again 3 minus 3 is 0, right? Next minus 1 minus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, so just simplify. Yes, can anybody tell me? So you can see R3 is minus 1. Next minus 6. So minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. No need of calculator, friends. Easily you can do it. 2 minus 1. Yes, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Next is 13 minus 9. Yes, 13 minus 9 is 4. So these are the new rows I'm going to get. So just substitute here values quickly. It is 1, 2, 1, 3. Always remember, students, R1 is always fixed. Then next value just substitute 0, minus 1, 1, and here we have 4, 0, minus 7, minus 1, and here we have 4. So this is my new R1, R2 and R3. Okay, now can anybody tell me what value I have to make 0? Yes, the lower triangle I have to make 0, means I have to change R3 value. Okay, no problem. So just take R3 value. Already there is a minimum value in the R2. So in the next step, this is fixed, this is fixed, and this I have to change. See that minimum value must be there. So 1 is already minimum value, therefore I am going to operate this by row operation. This is R3 minus 7 R2. Yes, friends, can anybody tell me? 0 minus 0 is 0 only, I will keep it 0. Next, minus 7 plus 7. Yes, friends, it is 0. Next value, can anybody tell me? R3 minus 1 and minus 7 is going to become minus 8. And next value, 4 minus 7 into 4. You can do it in calculator, you will get 28. So 4 minus 28 is going to become minus 24. You can just use the calculator and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is my new matrix I'm going to get here, students, after operating R1, R2, R3. So 1, 2, 1. This will be always fixed. Only this is going to change. So this is minus 1, 1, 4, and this is 0, 0, minus 8, and this is minus 24. So these are the new R1, R2, R3. So you can see in the Gauss elimination, this is the system of equations. So please write it in the system of equations. So you can see x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3 minus y plus z is equal to 4 minus 8z is equal to minus 24. So first you find out the z values, students. Always in the Gauss elimination method, first you can find z is equal to minus 24 upon minus 8. Yes, students, can you tell me? It is 3. Okay, put in this previous equation. So I will put it in minus y plus z is equal to 4. So just put z is equal to 3. So minus y plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, bring 3 on this side, or I will take y because its minus is there that side. So you can see this is going to become minus 4 plus 3 is equal to plus y. I wanted to make y as plus, so therefore y is equal to minus 1. So there's the answer. we are getting here students. Easily you can solve in less than 5 minutes. Okay, now put z and x in the equation. I will take this as 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, so I will take the equation x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3. I have to put z is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. So there you can see, therefore x minus 2, yes, y is -4 plus 3 is equal to 3, or x, easily if you take this on that side, easily you should get the value 2. That's it students, x, y, z values are calculated. Therefore answer is x, y, z is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 is the required answer. So they like this, you should be able to simplify quickly. Next, go to the next question student. There we have solved system of equation using Gauss-Seidal elimination method. So please remember Gauss-Seidal elimination students. You can see whenever you get Gauss-Seidal, see that diagonal entries must be highest. So I will just looking at the question, right? It's a damn easy. Yes, why? Because it's already arranged. 10, 10 and 10 is the diagonal entries. You can see they are always highest. So now you can see the x, y, z, 10 is highest. So just for simplification, I'll take the matrix here, 10, 1, 1, and next value is 1, 10, 1, and 1, 1, 10. So you can see, students, diagonal entries are highest. Therefore now you can easily put Gauss-Seidal elimination method. This is keep in the mind trick. Okay, now I will take the values in this form. So first I will rewrite the equation once again. That's a very important when you are solving. Rewrite the equation. Highest values will be kept on the left hand side. Remaining all values go on the right hand side. So just for simplification, I will take this as 10x is equal to 12 minus y minus z. Next value is 10y is equal to 12 minus x minus z. I'm going to take next is 10z is equal to 12 minus x minus y. So as I told you, these are the actually diagonal. You always take diagonal or the largest value in the diagonal entries. No, now therefore our first initial iterations. Yes students, quickly you have to tell me the initial iterations. I can see x is equal to 1 upon 10 in the bracket 12 minus y minus z, then y is equal to, this is also 1 upon 10, 12 minus x minus z we have. Next is z value, where did my pen goes? So here we have z is equal to 1 upon 10, 12 minus x minus y. So first you have to rearrange the equations. So what I have done nothing. I have just rearranged the given equation. Please remember this. Whenever you take the Gauss-Seidal, you have to rearrange x, y, z. Now initial value, it is already given in the question. You can see here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Keep in your mind, questions are already given. Just substitute, put, just take x, y, z as 0, 0, 0. Okay, so everywhere, wherever x, y, z on the right hand side is there, I'm going to substitute 0, 0, 0, and then put it in calculator. Easily you can see, you will get here x is equal to x1, first iteration. Yes, please remember this is first iteration. What I will get here students, x1 is equal to, this is 12 upon 10, it is 1.2. Easily you should get the answer. Next value, y1 is equal to, yes students, if I want I will tell you this is 1 divided by 10. Then next, yes, just remember here I cannot take 0, x is already given, so just substitute 1 upon 2 minus z I don't know, so initial value is I am going to take 0. Just substitute in the calculator. If you want, I will put it in the calculator. Yes, so what will be the value? That is 0.1 is 0.1 in the bracket. Okay, bracket is not working here, so just take bracket 12 minus 1.2. So easily you should get the answer 1.08. That's a fixed value. On the calculator on the right hand side you can see it's 1.8. So here I am going to take 1.08. Am I right? So you can see, you can easily put it in calculator. Now you can see, yes, the calculator works actually. So z1 is equal to 1 upon 10, yes runs 12 minus, so x value you know 1.2 and y value you know minus 1.08. Just substitute the initial values. Now I can say just simplify this runs. So 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. So I will just take here now. Yes. So keep it in mind, keep it as it is, minus 1.08. That's it. Enter. That's the answer. Just substitute here. It is 0.972 is the answer. On the right hand side you can see on the calculator it's clearly given 0.972. That's it. So this process you have to continue till you get the repeated values. Okay, so I'll just take down the next iteration, that is second iteration. Yes, I'm going to take the second iteration, students. This is lengthier, but it's a calculation process. So x1 is equal to, now you can see 1 divided by 10 as it is. Yes, 1 divided by 10 is now 0.1. So just substitute the values here. It's the bracket 12 minus, yes, next value is 1.08 minus 0.972. So you can directly put it in calculator. Calci, you can see you will get the answer. Just put to the calculator. Yes, you can see. Don't change the system. Just put the values. 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Already you know it. Okay. And then here the value is 0.972. Enter. Yes friends, easily you can see on the calculator its answer is given, so no need of calculating once again. So easily you have to write here 0.9948. that's it friends. y1 is equal to 1 upon 10. 12 is already there, minus x is already got the previous answer, that is 0.9948 minus, yes, z value is 0.972. yes, where you are putting the values in this system of equation x, y and z, which is already rearrange the given equation. Every time x, y, z, whichever is new value you get, you go on substituting the values. In the calculator you can see here friends, always keep the values as it is, right? Just substitute the values here. Now here I'm going to get, just put the value 0.9948 and minus, it's already same, so just put enter. Yes friends, you can see I've got the answer. Just substitute the answer here. It is 1.0033. okay, no, without wasting the time, go to z1 is equal to 1 upon 10, 12 minus 0.9948 minus 1.0033. yes friends, just substitute the values, tell me the answer. You can put it in the calculator. All the values you can see. Okay, so in the calculator I'm going to substitute the value. 9948 is already there. Just put this value 1.0033. enter. Without wasting your time, you'll get the answer. So I want to take only 1.0001 is enough. Okay, similarly process for third iteration. Now see in the formula, just substitute the values of second iteration, please put 2, and third iteration is x3. So just put the values. 1 divided by 10, yes, previous value it is 12, minus y is 1.0033 minus 1.001. Okay, you'll get the answer. You can put it in the calculator, friends. Easily you can see. Here I am getting now, yes, 101 and 9. I'm going to take 1.0033 minus 1.001. Yes, enter. What is the answer? Yes, friends, you can see easily on the calculator. You can get the 0.99966. That's enough. X, y, third iteration 1 upon 10. Just substitute the values. Minus 0.99966 minus previous value z 1.001. Substitute the value. You can going to get 1 only, friends. You can see the calculator. Z3 also you calculate, substitute the values. 1 divided by, this is previous values, 12 minus 0.99966 minus 1. You see are going to get 1 only. So ultimately x, y and z value, therefore the answer is x, y and z values are 1, 1, 1. That's it, students. Easily how to simplify this, calculate in the calculator quickly. Next I will go to the next method, that is fourth question, apply Rayleighs method. You can see in this Rayleighs method very easily, students. You should always understand the problem. In the Rayleighs method, you can see apply Rayleighs power method. They have given the equation, initial value also they have given. Okay, quickly you write down the approximations here below. So I will take now here solution. So you should remember the trick. Okay, so first I will take, remember the formula, ax is equal to lambda x. Everybody must know. Substitute the values quickly. So I will just take the equations now. Yes, substitute the values. A, already A is given to you, and also they have given the initial value in the question. So this is, we have 2. Okay, what is this? Okay, just write down the A value, 2, minus 1 0, minus 1 2, minus 1 0, minus 1 2, and then you have x value, initial value already given in the question, it's 1 1 1. Just go on simplifying this value, friends, and just put it in the calculator. I will tell you how to put it in calculator. Go to setup mode, go to matrix 6, then 1. Yes, it is 3 cross 3, so I will put it 1. Just substitute 1 2 equal to minus 1 equal to 0 equal to, next minus 1 equal to 2 equal to minus 1 equal to 0 equal to minus 1. You should be fast, students. So here the data is filled. Okay, then press AC. So now shift 4 1. I will fit now matrix B. The already matrix is there in the calculator, so I'll just put B value. So you can see it is 3 cross 1, so I'll just take 3. So I'll just put 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 equal to, that's it, friends. So both the data are filled. So shift 4 3 into shift 4 4, which is equal to, yes, friends, easily can see in the calculator it's already 101. So I will take here the value as 101. Am I right? So you can see when you get the initial value 101, so you can see highest value is 1 only. So 1 you can easily, this step is skipped only. So directly next step, again follow the same formula, ax is equal to, so here eigenvalue and eigenvector 1, and this is 101. Okay, now just take again same 2 minus 1 0 minus, proceed this, continue to get approximations. Okay, now this time you can say this is 1 0 1. So now just substitute in the calculator, go back, put AC. Now already matrix A is there, so don't change matrix A, only I'm going to change matrix B. Keep this in your mind. So shift 4 and then 1 2 3. Just I will put 1 equal to 0 equal to 1 equal to. So again press AC, shift 4 3 into shift 4 4. Yes friends, you can see in the calculator it's 2 minus 2 2. So without wasting the time, 2 is the highest value, so just take out 2. So if I take 2 outside, just divide this matrix by 2. So because every element should be divided by 2, because I'm taking 2 outside the matrix, so this is equal to, yes friends, you can see the calculator is already there. I have taken 2 outside, so matrix I'm getting here 1 minus 1 1. So lambda value, you can see this is our lambda value and this is our initial value x1. So continue this process till you get the largest eigenvalue. So I'm going to put always, you can see matrix A is fixed, 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2. So every time I have to take this and 1 minus 1 1. Yes, previous value I'm going to take the x value, so this is equal to, okay. So now you can take AC. Again I have to fit x value, matrix B, matrix A is already there, so just shift 4 1 2 3. Yes friend, just substitute 1 minus 1 and then it's plus. Okay, so just 1. Is it clear? Plus AC, shift 4 3 into shift 4 4. Yes friends, you can see, yes 3. So in this, very important that we are finding the largest value, that is 4 must be the largest value. Some students got confused here, but please see that 4 is the largest value. Take out 4 outside. So just I will take out in my this thing 4, I will take it outside. Some students may get confused, but see that the number highest value should be taken outside. 4 is the highest value. So now just divide this by 4. So here we get the value, students. Yes, so take the value, it is 0.75 minus 1 0.75. Largest value is 4 is taken outside. Okay, now you are going to repeat the same procedure. Yes, so I may not be writing this side is same, only the value this is going to change. 0.75 minus 1 0.75. this is equal to, okay, press A same, repeat the same procedure, shift 4 1 2 3. Yes, just put the value 0.75 equal to minus 1 equal to 0.75 equal to, so that's matrix is fit. Shift 4 3 into shift 4 4, which is equal to, yes friends, you can see in the calculator it's very clear that 3.5 is the largest value. So I just take 3.5 outside eigenvalue, so I'll just divide this by 3.5. so here I get, yes friends, you can see in the calculator that this is 0.7142 minus 1 0.7142. so repeat this process, at least I should get this values repeated. So there you can see same matrix is there, so I'll just take the matrix 0.7142 minus 1 0.7142 I get. Okay, now again I have to type AC, put the value of matrix B, repeat the same procedure, students, you will get the value. So just put 0.7142. We don't have time, so keep solving the problem. 0.714. Every time I have to fit only matrix B. Matrix B is ready. AC shift 4 3 into shift 4 4 equal to, yes friends, you can see I'm getting the highest value here. 3.428 is the largest eigenvalue, so I will take 3.428 is the largest eigenvalue in the calculator. You can see, yes friends, so I will just divide this by 3.428 equal to, yes friends, so this is our value. So this is 0.7084. This is very short, easily you can solve this. 0.7084. Yes, so if you want you can repeat this value. You can see the largest eigenvalue is equal to 3.428. so here you can just repeat this, press AC, we are going to get the value here, and just repeat the process for your understanding. I'm just taking next value but not required, because you'll get the same answer. See, 0.7084 equal to minus 1 equal to 0.7084 equal to, press AC, shift 4 matrix A into shift 4 4 matrix B, which is equal to 3.416, or you can just divide this by 3.416, which is equal to 0.0749. so we can see just largest eigenvalue 3.4 is repeated, so we stop our answer. So you will get the answer. Just go to fifth one, students. Easily you can see now. Apply Newton's Raphson's method to find the root of the equation. So see that you are ready with the formulas, and now we are going to substitute the values. So you can see 3x cube minus 9x square plus 8 is equal to 0 is given. Nearly it is the value x naught is equal to 1. So please remember, x naught is already given, no need of solving this again. Yes, please see that you have to take x naught 1. In this problem you can see here this 1 is change. So in your mind it should fix that x naught they have given nearly 1 means you have to take x naught is equal to 1 only. Okay, so without wasting the time, start with the solution. Now you take first the equation, right, and fix this value. F of x is equal to 3x cube minus 9x square plus 8. Now you have to substitute the value and just see it's x naught is equal to 1 only. Here no need of finding the real root. Yes, please remember here students, in this example especially, no need of finding real root. Don't take the table and just simplify and substitute, not required. Already they have given x naught is equal to 1 only. So 50% of the work is done in the Newton Raphson's method. You can see in the question it's clearly mentioned start with 1. We wanted to start initially. Initially is already given here. X naught is equal to 1 itself is the initial value. Is it clear? So you can just put f of 1 in the problem. So you can see you can fix the value and substitute the value. It's 3 minus 9 plus 8. Yes friends, easily you can see it's 2. You can put it in calculator, you'll get the answer very easily. Subtraction not required calculator, easily you should get the answer. Okay, now remember the formula students for Newton Raphson's method. Remember the formula what I have given, xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So this values you have to first substitute. So just differentiate this value. Okay, so differentiation is what students? You can see f dash of x. Yes, So now you can see differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So 3 into 3 is 9. So this is 9x square minus 9 is there. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 into 9 is 18x and plus 8. Differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore, please take differentiation of x is 8 is 0. Differentiation of constant 8 is 0. Okay, so in your calculator, again you go to the calculator students, plus on, go to shift, make this 1 only because it's composite. No, don't take matrix or anything, just take shift and composite 1, make it in a normal mode. Okay, now just substitute x value alpha x. I'm going to fix the x value minus, next take the division value, just put f of x. What is f of x? 3x cube. So I'm just take cube. Okay, the next minus 9 alpha x square plus 8. So this value is fixed now, friends. Go to the next value. Okay, so now f dash of x is what? 9 alpha x square minus 18 alpha x. Okay, so here the value you have substituted. When you substitute the values, keep in your record that you have substituted all the elements like x value. So x should be 1. Just press calc button, don't change it. Always ask x, what is the value of x? Already they have mentioned in the question it's 1. Just put 1 equal to, yes friends, so just take this, it's 1.2. so the answer you have taken, so you can say x is equal to 1. I'm going to get first iteration, that is 1.2. No need of, yes friends, no need of substituting the value. Easily you can get the answer now. Go for how many iterations should be made? 3 decimal places should be repeated. Okay, no problem. Go with the x2. When you take x2, what is x now? 1.2. The next value is 1.2. So just press here equal to. It's always ask x. What is the value of x? 1.2 equal to. Yes friends, you can easily can see it's 1.2259. Okay, just substitute 1.2259 x3. Yes friends, easily you can put again equal to, just press equal to. It's asking what is x. What is x? 1.2259 is the x value, equal to 1.2260. okay, substitute the value 1.2260. yes friends, easily tell me now what is the next? x4. 3 decimal must be same. Okay, no problem, I'm going to take 3 decimal same. x4 is equal to, what is x value? Just put it in the calculator, equal to, it will ask what is the value of x. What is the value of x? Previous value, it's 1.226 equal to, just see, you can see in the calculator. Yes friends, it is 1.2260. so 3 decimal places, therefore 3 decimal places, our answer stops at 1.2260. if you get this answer, then only you'll get full marks. Okay, non-stop, we're going to solve the next problem, that is 6th one. Yes, it is apply modified Euler's method. You can see, remember all the formulas what you are going to use, and you have to substitute all the values properly. Definitely you will get the answer. You can see, find the value. X naught is given, y naught is given in the question, just substitute in the values friends. Okay, without wasting the time, keep your calculators ready. I'm going to solve the next problem, modified Euler's method or Euler's modified method. Okay, so I'll go for the solution quickly. Today I'm going to teach how to do it in calculator, very easy. So it's a very simple step. So first I'm going to take the first Euler's method. First, always Euler's method. Okay, so when I take Euler's method, I know all what is given in the question, because question I have to write it in the exam, so that given is already there on the question. So you can say y1 equal to y naught plus h f of x naught y naught. So you can just see what is given, so you can find easily what is given. X naught is given 0, y naught is given 1. I have to find f of x naught y naught. What is f of x naught y naught? It is actually x minus y square, or x naught minus y naught square. What is x naught y naught? X naught values here, students, it is 0 minus 1 square, it is minus 1. So first time you're getting in a negative value f of x naught y naught. You may get confused that how you are getting f of x naught, but don't take it in mind, just put the values in your Euler's formula. So therefore easily you can get this y1 equal to, what is y naught? Y naught I have already written, it's 1 plus h. Yes students, very important. So already in the question they have given h is 0.1. f of x naught y naught is minus 1. Substitute in the calculator, put AC, don't change your settings in the calculators. Mode setup, it should be 1 only. So 1 plus 0.1 in the bracket minus 1. Yes students, you can see this is equal to, it is 0.9. If you write this 0.9, you will get 1 marks only. Now I will move to the Euler's modified method. Okay, there is another shortcut here students, I will go slow in this. Okay, now first you have to remember the formula here, that's y1 of 1. So you have calculated y1. Now y1 of approximation should be there, that's keep in your mind. Okay, now this is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1. I'm going to calculate. Okay, x1 y1 or x naught plus h y1 of dash. Okay, just substitute the values, you will get the answer here. But instead of doing all these things, just take it in the calculator, put it in the calculator in this form. So calculator, I will tell you h. Yes, can anybody tell me what will be x1? X naught, you can see x naught is 0 plus h is, we have taken 0.1, therefore x1 is equal to 0.1. So we are going to take here in the calculator 0.1 plus this, I will take y square. Oh, not minus, it is there, minus is there, so please take minus. Okay, no problem, x naught minus y square. Okay, put it in the calculator students immediately. So I will take here now 1 plus, put it in calculator, 0.1 divided by 2, yes, in the bracket, minus 1 plus 0.1 minus, here we are going to take alpha y square and complete the bracket. Yes students, I have just put all the values what is given here, just press calculate. It is asking y value already in the previous Euler's formula I calculated 0.9, which is equal to, yes students, here you can see on the calculator, if you get 0.914 you will get that definitely the marks. So now immediately you can write down, this is equal to y1 equal to 0.9145. Now you can see y1 value we already calculated. Now therefore I will tell you once again, same step I will repeat once again friends. It's 1 plus 0.1 divided by 2 bracket complete minus 1 plus 0.1 minus alpha y square. This you have to fix in your calculator, say calculate. It's asking y value, I will repeat this once again, 0.9 equal to You can see 0.09145. If you get this answer, students, you will get full marks. Again, it is asking equal to, repeat, 0. Previous value is 0.9145 equal to, yes students, you can see here I am getting next y2 value, it is 0.91318. This process will be repeated till you get the approximate value. Okay, so again repeat this process students, equal to, now you can put 0.91318 equal to, yes students, that's it. For the 3 decimal places you can see y3 is equal to 0.9133. I am getting 0, right? So here you can see I will stop here because 3 decimal places, the question is very clear. For 3 decimal places I have to stop modified Euler's modified method. So you can see x is equal to 0.1. I have calculated for x is equal to 0.1, only one step. Please remember this and this are exactly same. So therefore what is my answer? Yes friends, within 2 minutes you should get y of 0.1 is equal to 0.9133. Who has calculated this answer will get the full marks. This is your answer. Yes friends, without wasting your time, we'll go to the next method, that is RK method. Yes students, you can see apply 4th order RK method to find the value of y at 0.2 of initial value problem. Y of 0 is equal to 0, h is equal to 0.2. okay, this is the question they have given. Okay, quickly write down what is the formula you should remember here. So solution, first you write all the formula of k1, k2, k3, k4, and next you have to write the value of k. Just take here some pause. Just pause here. Just see that pause value. बुक उधर उठने का प्रॉब्लम सामने इसको आगे फॉर्मूला लिखना है बट okay students, now you can see you have to write the formula should be written first. Please write down the formulas, then you can easily solve the problem. So write down fast. So I will write the formulas here students. So first you write down the formula. K1 is equal to h f of x naught comma y naught, then K2 is equal to h f of x naught plus h upon 2 comma y naught plus k1 upon 2. So you should be fast now. K3 is equal to, time is running students, x naught plus h upon 2 comma y naught plus k2 upon 2. Yes students, time is running, you should be fast. Next is k4 is equal to h f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3, and last formula is our initial value, that is y of x naught plus h, that is y1 we say y naught plus 1 upon 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So you must be fast in this form. So you want to complete in 1 hour, you should get all the values properly. Okay, now just substitute the values given in the question. H is equal to 0.2, f of x naught y naught, you have to first find out what is f of x naught y naught. So I will just see that in the question they have clearly mentioned. You can see here x naught y naught, is my pen, yes, what is given, very simple, x naught is 0, y naught is 0, f of x naught comma y naught. Substitute 1 minus 2 0 0. X is 0, y is 0. Put it in this. This is our value f of x and y. So therefore this is 1. Remember this is 1. Okay, substitute the value. First I will find out k1 value. H is 0. H is 0.2. Okay. Put it in the calculator, students. 0.2 f of x naught y naught. So already I told you f of x naught y naught is 1. So k1 value is 2. Immediately substitute in k2 value, it's 0.2. F of x naught is 0. H is 0.2 upon 2 comma y naught is 0 plus k1 is 0.2 upon 2. So immediately put it in calculator, you will get the values, friends. This is 0.2 into, yes, f of x naught y naught, so it's 0.1 and 0.1. so put it in the calculator. Yes, what you have, the equation, 7th question, you can see equation is 1 minus 2 xy. So 1 minus 2 bracket, yes, what is x? You can put here delete button, and alpha x and alpha y you can put. So this is our equation, friends. So just I will put the value, calculate. It is asking x value. X value is 0.1 equal to y value is 0.1, which is equal to, yes, it is 0.9 plus k upon 2. Put it in the calculator, friends. You have to simplify 0.2 f of 0 plus 0.2 upon 2 comma 0 plus 0.196 upon 2. So you can put it in the calculator, friends. Easily how to get the value now. Yes, you can see this is 0.2 f of 0.1 comma 0.196 divided by 2. So you will get the value 0.098. Yes, it is. This is 0.098. Yes, just simplify the value. So this is 0.2 in the bracket. You will get this as 1 minus 2 into 0.1 into 0.098. So please simplify this value, students. K2 value immediately have to put it in calculator. It is 0.2 bracket 1 minus 2 into 0.1 into 0.098. Yes, friends, what is the answer? You can see in the calculator, it says 0. So just put the calculator in the 0.19608. So like this you have to calculate k1, k2, k3. Same way, if you just put it in the calculator, k4 value, k4 is equal to 0.2 f of x is 0 plus h is 0.2 and y is again 0 plus k3 is 0.19608. Put it in the calculator. You must get the value of k4 as 0.2 f of value 1 minus 2 into 0.2 into 0.196. okay, just put it in calculator. This is again 0.2 bracket 1 minus 2 into 0.2 into 0.196 equal to, yes, it is k4 is equal to 0.18436. 2. It's on the calculator. Please see that. Substitute all the values. Y1 is equal to y0 is 0 plus 1 upon 6. Substitute all the values. 0.2 plus 2 into k2. Substitute the values, friends. 0.196 plus 2 into 0.19608 plus last k4 0.18432. Yes, put everything on the calculator, friends. So this is 1 divided by 6 in the bracket 0.2 plus 2 into 0.196 plus 2 into 0.19608 plus 0.18432. That's the answer, students. Yes, if you get this answer, nobody can stop you to get 5 out of 5. So in this way, all the answers you have to simplify and get the value. This is our answer. So like this, if you get all the correct answers, definitely, students, you are going to get full 25 out of 25. See that you don't make any mistakes. Yes, thank you.